What's up? What's up everyone? Younes Productions here. My name is Younes. What a coincidence. In this video I'm going to talk about 5 things which helped a lot to improve my Premiere Pro editing process, skills, and hopefully it will help your editing process as well. So if you are a beginner and you are editing in Premiere Pro, stay with me. So the first one is the specs of your computer and having an SSD. So the specs, I don't want to go deep into this. I will put in the description what's the minimum requirements to run Premiere Pro. So if you ever had experienced this or this and you just felt like you want to smash your computer, you should definitely get an SSD. And I don't say that this is the only thing which affects the performance of your computer and editing, but in my opinion this is one of the most important factors to have a good editing flow. So why SSD over an HDD? SSDs have a much faster writing and reading speed. You don't want to overload the hard drive of your own computer. Keep your files on your SSD, edit from your SSD. Therefore, you can preserve the performance of your laptop or computer for a long term. And it's good to have an HDD as well for backup or just to keep your files which you already edited, you're done with it. And last but not least, personally, I really like this SanDisk SSD. It's small, it's durable, it's water resistant, fits in your pocket, so it's really useful when you're traveling. The second one is keyboard shortcuts. So once you open Premiere Pro, let's go up here, click Premiere Pro. Here you can find keyboard shortcuts, and here it is. So each keyboard letter defines a specific task that you want to do in Premiere Pro. For example, here you can see A is my selection tool, B is my speed and duration, and C is my razor tool. And let's see this in an actual clip. So if I'm tapping A on my keyboard, this is my selection tool, I can drag and move my clip as I want. And let's press C, is my razor tool, I can cut in half and then I can move them separately. And B for me stands for speed and duration. Let's move it to 300%. So now you can see it's in 300% speed. You don't want to waste time and go here selecting these icons. So you just need to push a letter on your keyboard and here we go. The third one is presets and LUTs. So presets and LUTs are usually used for speeding up your editing flow. Presets are, let's say, pre-made compositions that you can put into your clip without making on your own. For example, a preset can be a transition which you can apply directly to your clip, but in this case I'm going to show how to apply a LUT. LUTs are likely often used for color grading to simplify your color grading process. Once you are in Premiere Pro and you downloaded, imported the actual LUT what you want to use, you need to go to color, and here you can find the creative section. And now I'm going to apply this base LUT, which I got from the full-time filmmaker course. I highly recommend this online course. I think if you are into filmmaking and video editing, this is a must-have. Let's apply it, and once I clicked on it, you can see that it completely changed the color vibes of this clip, the temperature, the contrast, the colors. And if you're using a LUT, it doesn't mean that you're done, you finished. You can still adjust the exposure, contrast, highlights, everything in order to match your taste or in order to match the vibes of your actual clip. It's really important not just applying a LUT to any kind of clip. First, you have to recognize what's the actual vibes that will look good on your footage. The fourth one is ripple delete. Let's see what ripple delete does. I wanted to highlight this specific keyboard shortcut because it saved me so much time than nothing else, I think, in my editing process. First of all, you need to open your keyboard shortcuts, and I want to show you how to actually set a keyboard shortcut, which relies to my first tip. Here you can see that F stands for ripple delete for me, and I need to search for ripple delete. Here it is, ripple delete. So if you click on ripple delete, a little square, blue square pops up where you can type your letter that you want to do the actual task, which is ripple delete. So you can change it to anything. So now F is set for ripple delete. What I did before, if I wanted to cut a clip from my footage, selecting the razor tool, cut it, select the actual clip that I don't want to, delete it, grab the other clip and paste it together. With Ripple Delete is much faster. So let's type C for my razor tool. I will cut the actual clip that I don't want. I select it. If I'm pressing F, you can see that it deletes the clip and pastes together the two clips of my footage. That's it. I hope that it will be useful for you. Let's jump into the next tip. And let's talk about the fifth one, which is paste attributes. Let's see how pasting attributes works. Paste attributes is really useful when you want to copy some kind of adjustment from a clip to another clip. And I'm going to show you with an example of color grading. You can see this clip. I will do some modifications in terms of exposure. Let's bring up the exposure. Let's bring up the contrast as well. I know it's terrible, but it's just an example. And if I want to copy these adjustments to my other clip, first I need to copy it. You can do it like Command C if your keyboard shortcut is set to Command C. Then I select my other clip and I press Option V. Here, if it's unchecked, you need to check the box Effects, Telemetry Control, press OK, and here you can see that I applied all my changes, modifications to my other clip. And if you want to do it with multiple clips, you just need to select all the clips, press Option V, and you can paste it to the other ones as well. Alright, that's it for this YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel. I will make more tutorial videos like this.